Sasabak sa inaugural ASEAN Women's Futsal Championships ang Philippine Women's Futsal National Team na magaganap sa Field Sports Arena mula November 16 hanggang 21. Yan ang ulat ni Daryl Oclares.
Masusubukan ang husay ng ating Philippine Women's Futsal National Team dahil sa nakatakda nilang kampanya sa inaugural ASEAN Women's Futsal Championships mula November 16 hanggang 21 sa Field Sports Arena sa Pasig City. Makakabangga ng Pinay 5 ang mga futsal powerhouse countries na Thailand, Vietnam, Indonesia at Myanmar. Kaya sinisigurado ni National Team Head Coach Vic Hermans na hindi nila atrasan ang nakambang hamon.
We have a big challenge to go. But first think about what we want all to achieve is a good result next year in the World Cup. At the start is this month in Ultra against 4 countries who are all higher than the ranking than us. But I'm not afraid. We have a good team.
Ibinunyag din sa press conference ng Philippine Football Federation nitong Lunes ang magiging 16-woman lineup ng Pinay 5 na pinangungunahan ni Tuloy FC forward Isabela Bandoha. Ayon kay Bandoha, tiyak na paghahandaan nila ang kanilang mga parating na laban.
The national team are preparing well po and is doing our best to give a good performance po this coming tournament, especially we're facing a tough teams. We'll do our best po to give a good result for the supporters and also for the Philippines po.
Panawagan din ni Bandoha ang suporta ng mga Pinoy futsal fans.
Sa mga fans po, sana po manood po kayo this upcoming tournament po namin. We're expecting more and syempre yung presence niyo po is mahalaga sa amin. Syempre nagbibigay din po yun ng lakas para sa amin.
Samantala, binigyang diin naman ni PFF President John Gutierrez na dito unang masusubukan ang pambansang kupunan bago sumabak sa inaugural 2025 FIFA Futsal Women's World Cup na dito rin gaganapin sa Pilipinas.
This is the team that will go to a World Cup. Think about it. We are going to make sure that for this tournament, all the way to the World Cup, Coach Vic and the management have a plan, have a year-long program to get our girls up to speed. And I have every confidence in this team to take us where we want to be.
Unang makaharap ng Pinay 5 ang Myanmar sa November 15. Daryl Oclares para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.